Today we've had the pleasure of coming to Northern Ireland to visit Phil and his team at Audio Device. And the purpose for our journey is we came to test and evaluate in an Audi RS6 our new M.O.S.T 150 audio output. And I have to say, more than impressed. When we came, this car was running off the factory line level amplifier, the Bose system, and sounded horrific. We've installed our M.O.S.T 150 unit, and I have to say, more than impressed. The car's gone from being totally flat and uninteresting to being extremely dynamic and very accurate. This car in particular is very, very good. It's running a 3-way front end, fully active, 12-inch sub in the boot, and 3 big Audi amplifiers, and the result is phenomenal.